Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to download Facebook video on Android. So let's get into it. First of all, launch Facebook on your Android phone. Open any video and tap the three-dot menu in the upper right corner. Select Copy Link. Open Google Chrome and paste the video link. Play the video and long tap on it. Select Download Video. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.